In this video, I will show you how to add a customer in Square. First, log into your Square account. Once you're logged in, you will arrive at your main dashboard. Now, go to the left side of your screen and click on Customers. When you click it, you will see a few more options appear below. From those, select Directory. On the middle part of the screen, you will see the Create Customer button. Click on it to add a new customer. A pop-up window will now appear. This is where you will input all the customer details. Start with the first name and last name. Then move on to phone number, email address, and physical address if available. These are the basic contact details that Square uses to identify and communicate with your customers. After saving, you will be redirected back to your directory and you will now see your newly added customer in the list. From here, you can also click on the customer's name to view their full profile, track their transactions, or even send them messages directly from within Square. And that's how to add a customer in Square.